Hi all, welcome back. Starting with the last video I uploaded, I took the wrong names of the candles. So thanks to the guy who actually corrected me there, and I'm actually okay to accept my mistake. That's fine. Okay, let's go ahead. How I take U-turn. This is something I actually want to show. See, yesterday after a gap down, market went down, 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 and it closed below the actual support which we have just above 16,300, I guess 16,320 approx is the support. So the reason, let me show you 15 or maybe say 5 minutes candles. Okay, perfect. See, the point was, let's get from yesterday. Gap down opening below the actual support of 17,100. It went down, broke the support of 17,000 as well, but it went up. It was range bound for first half. Then the problem started when in second half sell off started, and the sell off was so huge that it closed even below 16,850, which was one of the huge supports which I have created with the previous candles. Okay, so this was the reason I was bearish. Reason being, it closed below the support. Now today what happened, we had a gap up opening and it touched the resistance of 17,000. That's fine. I mean, the support which we have becomes resistance if a stock or an index starts trading below that particular level. So that's fine. I mean, after, I would say after the morning session, it broke 17,000, right? And that was the moment it was like Nifty showing strength. That was great, fine. The biggest resistance we had was the opening high and the previous resistance which was created due to previous sessions. And if you have seen, I was using the only level of 17,100. See, the moment it broke 17,100, there was no looking back. Okay, so how about U-turn? What I was actually saying, said like one should sell off 50% of their holdings. Reason being, the next support is way too low, and if it's going to get broken, the other supports are at 16,000 and 15,500. So that was something I felt like one should exit. But for me, this is something not like we are going to predict something for once. See, for me, I am actually, for every single decision I make, I am always prepared for what if I go wrong. So the moment 17,000 got broken, I had all the stocks in my watch list which I had to track, like which particular stock we have to get in if someone has sold 50% of the holdings. So the moment 17,100 got broken, if you see, there was no looking back. So this was the moment I started telling like, okay, one should buy now whatever they have sold. So the best thing, whatever you see, I mean, ignore Nykaa and Paytm. I would delete and delete Zomato as well. These were the stocks. BSC got deleted, fine. Now see, for Tech Mahindra, for yesterday I was bearish on it, right? As it broke and closed below the support of 1430, it went down fine. Today got up, struggled around this resistance, and then the moment it went above this support, it started flying like anything, and it broke this particular resistance as well. So for now, if you want to invest in HCA, what it is, Tech Mahindra, you should definitely go for it. This was the U-turn which I took. Something which is going down from resistance, I would say sell. Something moving up from resistance, I would say buy. Simple it is. Now the point is, the stock which I personally recommended after it was clear that we should buy. See, there was a resistance and support, and the way Reliance showed its support, showed its strength, if you see, there was a huge resistance and support, whatever you can say. This was the actual level we had. Now it was about to break, and now the moment Nifty showed strength, this was the exact low which it created today. Okay, it went up, broke the resistance, and it closed even above resistance. And if you look the bigger picture, it's huge. I mean, this is something which is going to play a huge support. Again, this was the level where it took a breakout. This is where it took strength. This is where it took strength, and after taking a proper support, it's ready to move up. So that was the reason I am bullish on Reliance. Tech Mahindra, I showed it to you. Adani Power, if you see, this was the support or the stop loss level we made after, even after 10% of fall. It's way safe and it got back up again, so it looks even more beautiful now. Vedanta Limited, again same thing, we had support, we had our stop loss, it didn't even touch, and it showed strength and it went. See, this is something, I don't know, hanging man or hammer candle, I'm actually, I don't know, but the only thing I know is its importance. It shows the wick, the larger the lower wick is, the more the strength. It shows it went down, touched, almost touched its support, and then again went up. So that's what matters. So it's going to go up. So that's why I'm bullish on VDL as well. Tata Motors fine. HDFCC, yesterday it broke the support, and this is the stock I have seen for the first time in my life touching 52-week low. So that's the reason. I mean, again, even for now, it hasn't got up and broke the resistance or the support which we created yesterday. So I'm still not bullish on this particular stock. Rather, Reliance, Tech Mahindra, Adani Power, Vedanta Limited, Tata Motors are fine. So that's what I wanted to show. Okay, chalo, bye.